Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity. Did you know there are snacks out there that you can enjoy guilt-free because they have almost 0 calories? Stay tuned to find out what they are. In today's video, we'll be exploring 20 snacks that are super low in calories but high in nutrition. Let's dive in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Snacks that have almost 0 calories involves not only listing these snacks, but also understanding their nutritional profiles, health benefits, and why they are considered low calorie. Here's a detailed study on 20 such snacks. 1. Celery calories. 16 calories per cup, 101 grams nutritional profile. High in water content, about 95%, contains vitamins A, C, and K, and fiber. Benefits. Hydrating, aids in digestion, and helps in weight management due to its low-calorie content. 2. Cucumber calories. 16 calories per cup, 104 grams. Nutritional profile, also high in water, about 96%, contains vitamins K and C, potassium, and magnesium. Benefits. Hydrating, promotes skin health, and can help in weight loss. 3. Radishes calories. 16 calories per cup, 116 grams. Nutritional profile. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports digestion, immune function, and has anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Lettuce calories. 5 calories per cup, 47 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains water, fiber, vitamins A and K, and folate. Benefits. Hydrating, low in calories, and promotes healthy digestion. 5. Zucchini calories. 19 calories per cup, 124 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamins A, C, and K, potassium, and fiber. Benefits. Supports eye health, immune function, and is hydrating. 6. Tomatoes calories. 18 calories per cup, 149 grams. Nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, folate, and antioxidants like lycopene. Benefits. Supports heart health, skin health, and has anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Bell peppers calories. 24 calories per cup, 92 grams. Nutritional profile. High in vitamins A, C, and B6, fiber, and antioxidants. Benefits. Boosts immune function. Supports eye health and has anti-inflammatory properties. 8. Cauliflower calories. 25 calories per cup, 107 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamin C, K, and B6, folate, and fiber. Benefits. Supports digestion, immune function, and has anti-cancer properties. 9. Mushrooms calories. 15 calories per cup, 70 grams. Nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins B and D, selenium, and fiber. Benefits. Supports immune function, bone health, and has antioxidant properties. 10. Spinach calories. 7 calories per cup, 30 grams. Nutritional profile. High in vitamins A, C, and K, folate, iron, and calcium. Benefits. Supports eye health, bone health, and boosts immune function. 11. Asparagus calories. 27 calories per cup, 134 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamins A, C, E, K, folate, and fiber. Benefits. Supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and has diuretic properties. 12. Kale calories. 33 calories per cup, 67 grams. Nutritional profile. High in vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports bone health, immune function, and has anti-cancer properties. 13. Green beans calories. 31 calories per cup, 125 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and folate. Benefits. Supports digestion, heart health, and bone health. 14. Broccoli calories. 31 calories per cup, 91 grams. Nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports immune function, digestion, and has anti-cancer properties. 15. Cabbage calories. 22 calories per cup, 89 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports digestion, immune function, and has anti-inflammatory properties. 16. Watercress calories. 4 calories per cup, 34 grams. Nutritional profile. High in vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports bone health, immune function, and has anti-cancer properties. 17. Endive calories. 8 calories per cup, 50 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and folate. Benefits. Supports digestion, immune function, and eye health. 18. Turnips calories. 36 calories per cup, 130 grams. Nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and folate. Benefits. Supports digestion, immune function, and bone health. 19. Arugula calories. 5 calories per cup, 20 grams. Nutritional profile. Contains vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and potassium. Benefits. Supports bone health, immune function, and digestion. 20. Swiss chard calories, 7 calories per cup, 36 grams. Nutritional profile: high in vitamins A, C, and K, magnesium, and iron. Benefits: supports bone health, immune function, and reduces inflammation. Conclusion: these low-calorie snacks are not only great for weight management, but also provide essential nutrients that support overall health. Their high water and fiber content help in keeping you full, thus reducing the overall calorie intake. Incorporating these snacks into your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight while providing vital nutrients necessary for optimal health. And there you have it, 20 snacks that you can enjoy without worrying about calories. These snacks are not only low in calories but also packed with essential nutrients. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications on more healthy eating tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.